watching a big baboon. I can see a bunch of poodles watching a load of curry noodles.
Very good. Turn just one page. There you go.
I want to see a pair of moose looking through a playing cards. Say moose.
Those are silly moose. What about this page here? Is that the Queen of France?
I want to see a crown of fats on polka-dotted pants.
All right. One page.
I want to see some buffaloes dancing on their tippy toes. I want to see a fish named Teddy acting very, very silly. I want to see a pair of
Sheep? Are those sheep?
I want to see a pair of sheep dancing the llama and the sleigh.
Very good. Oh, you missed one. What's this one?
I want to see a nice old lizard turn my head into a lizard. I want to see a bunch of mice. I just skating on the ice.
What about Fozzie?
I want to see a headstand doing.
Is that the chickadee?
I want to see a chickadee doing headstands on my knee. The end.
Very good.